No, ikishavunwa wanatengeneza kitu hicho shamba system. Yeah, like people come in.
You got no friends.
What do you want?
Yeah, this one. That's all.
And the milk, the hyena has a very nutritious and strong milk compared to other animals.
Really?
Yeah, because if the young one feeds today,
Right.
today is one Sunday,
Right.
the mother will come back the next week Sunday to come and feed it again.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
No starving.
Okay, wow.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Mhm.
Well, so far I've been good,
Yeah.
you know.
It's a small family. Hi.
Oh, really?